Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to use InfinitePay.io for physical goods. Whether you are selling products through an online store or managing in-store transactions, InfinitePay.io makes it easy to handle payments. So let's get started. First, log into your InfinitePay.io account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the physical goods section. This is where you can manage your products, listing and sales. Now select on add a new product or a similar option to create a new product listing. Enter details such as the product name, description, price and inventory quantity. Now set up payment options by linking your product listing to your InfinitePay.io account. Choose your preferred payment methods and configure any shipping options if applicable. Now you need to publish your product listings on your online store or POS system. Make sure to include clear images, descriptions and pricing information. Now process transactions through InfinitePay.io when customers make a purchase. For online sales, customers can complete their payments through the checkout process on your website. For in-store sales, use your POS system integrated with InfinitePay.io. Now monitor sales and inventory through the InfinitePay.io dashboard. Track your transactions, manage stock levels, and handle customer inquiries. Ensure that you provide efficient order fulfillment and shipping processes to deliver your physical goods to your customers promptly. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to use InfinitePay.io for physical goods. This platform helps you manage and process payments for your products efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.